In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can lock your car doors here in GTA 5 Online so that other players can't steal your vehicle or ride in it. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point with this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, in order to do this, you are going to need to open up that interaction menu. So go ahead and do that. And whenever the interaction menu is open, essentially just scroll down and you're going to see an entire section in here for manage vehicles. Go ahead and select that and then scroll down a little bit more until you see the vehicle preferences tab. Select that again and you're going to see a vehicle access section in here. Now this setting controls who is allowed to enter in your personal vehicle. Essentially just scroll through these options and change it to no one, which is what mine is currently set to. Now keep in mind, no one means no one. Whether it's random players, friends, or even crew members, none of them will be able to get into your car except you, which is perfect if people keep trying to steal your vehicle here in GTA Online. You can always change this setting back if you're playing with friends or your crew and you want to let them ride with you. That low-key rhymed. But that is it. That is how you can lock your doors here in GTA 5 Online. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.